Hi everyone, this is Jalissa. Welcome back to my channel. Today I have 2 spring wreaths and a set of candle holders. If you're interested in seeing how I made them, keep watching. Give me a thumbs up. Subscribe if you already haven't subscribed. And leave me a comment and let me know what you think. For this next DIY, I'm going to be using these wreath rings, some of this garland, some roses, glue sticks, and my glue gun.
The easiest way to glue this, we're going to be gluing the leaves to the wire. The easiest way is to glue the actual wire wreath and then add the stem onto it and hold it down until it dries. And you just need it on each end. And we're not putting the flowers too close together. And also we're trying our best to cover the glue. I'm using this so I don't burn myself with the hot glue. Since we gotten about halfway, I'm gonna start facing the flowers going towards this way. As you see, these are going this way. This will be going up towards this way. that's why I use the scissors. Okay. I'll probably go back and do a little finishing touches with the glue, but you can get an idea of what it's gonna look like. And also, if it is helpful, you can get little copper wire or even the wire from the bag of bread, and you can twist it on right here onto the stems and the copper wire for the wreath wire, and it'll be able to stay in place so it's not wobbly or anything like that. But this is what it looks like. It's very simple and spring vibes.
This next DIY, I'm going to be using this wreath from the Dollar Tree. This bunny that I got from a sign from the Dollar Tree. And some roses. And I'll be using glue gun and glue sticks.
So we cut each rose to this length, and we're gonna be inserting it into the wooden wreath, and we're just gonna be placing it in, just inserting it in there. You can see little gaps in there that you could just stick them into. So as I got them in here, I spreaded them apart so that they're not just all facing the same way. They're all differently placed. If you wanted this to be permanent, you can use glue also. Really any type of glue. And we're going to be adding our little bunny. We're going to be using some hot glue, and we're going to be gluing it to the wreath, to the wooden wreath. So we decided we're gonna add our bunny here, which is on the other end of where the flowers are. So we're gonna add the hot glue to the back of the bunny. And it's easy to stick on because they're both wood. And it's done just like that. We're just gonna be adding ribbon. So we got our jute string and we cut a piece off that's a perfect length for the wreath from where we're gonna be hanging it at on the door. And what we're gonna do is on the back of it, you wanna just glue a little piece of the jute string. You wanna glue it to the wooden wreath so that it could be more in place and it's not loose. there you go. Be adding a little, try my best to do a little cute little bow.
For this next DIY, I'm going to be using these glasses from the Dollar Tree. 2 of those. 2 of these candle holders. Pink spray paint and gold. And I'll also be using my glue gun and my glue sticks. So I'm just gonna be spray painting these golds. So I'm putting glue around the rim of this candle holder. Very simple. And just get the glass and place it. This little tea light candle holder in there so that I could place the tea light on top.